So, hello everybody. My name is Vagia Kontou and I am from Hellenic French School Kalamari from Greece, Thessaloniki. So, a few months ago, my little nephew asked me while he was playing on his computer how this thing works. So, I tried to explain to him the fundamental role of mathematics in computer science, as well as the Boolean algebra. See, computers can only understand numbers. So, every character, or even every color that we see on our screens, is represented by numbers. But how computers actually work? Well, let me show you. This small thing is called a central processing unit, or a CPU. A CPU is an electronic circuitry within a computer carries out all the instructions of a computer program. Well, the main components of CPU are digital electronic circuits. They represent signals by two voltage bands. One near the reference value, typically named ground or 0 volt, and the other near the reference value. This corresponds to false, 0, or true, 1 values of the Boolean domain. And here we have logic gates. Logic gates is the hardware application of the Boolean algebra and the Boolean laws. All digital electronic circuits are made from these logic gates. Here we have to say that 0 corresponds to no pulse and 1 corresponds to pulse. First we have the NOT gate. The NOT gate is capable of inverting the input. When input is 1, output is 0. When input is 0, output is 1. Next up, we have the OR gate. The OR gate receives two inputs and produces an output. The output can be 1 when A is 1, B is 1, or both of them are 1. Last, we have the AND gate. The AND gate receives two inputs and produces an output. The only way the output can be 1 is when both A and B are 1. Well, logic gates constitute the basis of digital electronic circuits as well as the operation of computer in general. Before I finish, I want to thank my teammates, Yoros and Stergios, for their very valuable help, as well as my two teachers, Mrs. Christina Tikve and Mr. Yannis Sarafis, for their support. Thank you for your attention.